Kids, hello, Sairam. Welcome all the kids to the max session. I hope all are enjoying the online study. I come to know that because teacher sees every day your worksheet, whatever you have solved. Very good, children, excellent. First of all, before starting with anything, children, first of all, tap for yourself. You are doing very nice, very well done. Good. Okay, before we start, give me a good smile, a close up smile. Good. Say hi to Miss. Hi, everyone. Okay, before we start with the new session, children, whatever we have finished, we'll revise little. Okay, so first we'll start with the tables. Are you all ready? Here we go. Start with Miss. Come on. Ready? Table of two. Two ones are two. Two twos are four. Two threes are six. Two fours are eight. Two fives are 10. Two sixes are 12. Two sevens are 14. Two eights are 16. Two nines are 18. Two nines tens are 20. Now repeat after me. Table of two. Good. Two ones are two. Two twos are four. Two threes are six. Two fours are eight. Two fives are 10. Two sixes are 12. Two sevens are 14. Two eights are 16. Two nines are 18. Two tens are 20. That's very good. Now children, today I will teach you all new table, that is table of 3, which you have already done in first standard, but let us revise. Are you all ready? Yes. Table of 3. 3 ones are 3. Repeat. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Once more. Ready? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Very good. That's very good. Once more. Shall we? Come on. Say table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. That's very good, kids. You all enjoyed? Yes. Now kids, after tables, what we'll do, Last week what we did, just remember. everyone? Think and tell me last week what we did. Something with the teachers taught you with the rope. Yes, lines. Okay, shall we revise the lines? Before starting with that, lines, tell me how many lines are there? 4. Very good. What are they? Let us see. Fun with lines. Yes, that's it. Now, look here, kids. What line is this? Tell me. Standing line. Very good. What is standing line called as? Vertical line. Good. Very good. Repeat after teacher. Standing line is called as vertical line. Standing line is also called vertical line. Spell it VERTICAL. 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 Okay. Look here, kids. What line is this? Yes, sleeping line or horizontal line. The line which is sleeping, it's called as horizontal line. Repeat after teacher. Sleeping line is also called horizontal line. Repeat the spelling. HORIZONTAL. Horizontal. Repeat. HORIZONTAL. Horizontal. Very good. What is sleeping line is called as? Horizontal line. Now look here, children. This is what line? Slanting line. Okay. Repeat. Slanting line. Slanting line. SLANTING. 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 Now which line is remaining? Curved line. Good. Look here. Curved line. See. Repeat after teacher. Curved line. Curved line. CURVED. Curved line. CURVED. 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 That's very good. After lines, children, now we are finished with the lines. Yes or no? After the lines, fun with the line topic, what did we learn? Some revision we did of what? Shapes. Very good. Okay. So let us start with that. Let's identify the geometric shapes. Yes. What shape is this? Square. Okay, children. How many sides do a square have? 4. Let us see. Yes. Repeat after teacher. A square has 4 sides. Very good. Repeat. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. Very good. What is this? It's a circle. So what does a circle has? It has a curved line. It has a curved line. Let us see. Yes, repeat after teacher. A circle has one curved edge. A circle has one curved edge. Repeat. A circle has one curved edge. Very good. What is this? Rectangle. Very good. So how many lines do rectangle has? 4. Let us see. Repeat after teacher. A rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides. Repeat. A rectangle has 4 sides. Very good. What is this? Triangle. Okay. A triangle has how many sides? 3. Repeat. A triangle has 3 sides. Repeat. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Very good. Kids, now we are finished with lines. We are finished with the shapes. How many sides do each shapes have? We are finished with it. Which is this number? 9. Okay. Now how do you spell 9? Say. Yes. N-I-N-E. Let's see whether it's correct or no. Yes. N-I-N-E. Repeat. N-I-N-E. Very good. Now what is this number? 11. 11. Okay. Children, you say it 11. Okay. Or you will say like this, 1 and 1. Yes, you say 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. But when you are writing in words, how you will write? 1 and 1, 11? No, that's wrong. You will write 11 spelling. Spell it E-L-E-V-E-N. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. So how you will write spelling? How you will write in words? You will write 1 and 1? No, that's wrong. You will write it as E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Now see next. Which is this number? 22. 2 and 2. 22. 2 and 2. 22. How will spell it? Repeat. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-O. 2. 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-O. 2. 22. Next one. What is the number? 30? 5. So, how will say 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 35. Repeat. 3 and 5. 35. Repeat after teacher. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Repeat. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. F-I-V-E. 5. 35. Repeat. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Look at this number. What number is this? 48. So we say it as 4 and 8. 48. 4 and 8, 48. Okay. Kids, when we are writing 48, 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. But when we write 4, we write it as F-O-U-R, 4. So don't get confused. When you are writing 4, F-O-U-R, 4. But when you write 40, there you will not write U. You will only write F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Repeat after teacher. 48. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 48. F-O-R-T-Y. 48. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Very good. Next number is 59. 5 and 9, 59. Repeat. 5 and 9, 59. Now spell it. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 9, N-I-N-E, 59. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 9, N-I-N-E, 59. Now shall we see the next number? Which number is this, children? 67. 6 and 7, 67. Repeat after teacher. 6 and 7, 67. Now repeat. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 67. S-I-X-T-Y, 67. S-E-V-E-N, 67. 6 and 7, 67. Now next number is 71. 71. Very good. Now repeat. 7 and 1. 71. 7 and 1. 71. Spell it. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. 1. O-N-E. Again. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. O-N-E. 1. 71. Repeat. 7 and 1. 71. Very good. Now next number see. What it is? 89. Now repeat after teacher. 8 and 9. 89. 8 and 9. 89. 8 and 9. 89. Spell it now. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. N-I-N-E, 9. 89. Repeat. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. N-I-N-E, 9. 89. Again. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. NINE. 9. 89. Very good. Children, not feeling boring na baba? Okay. Which is the next number? 96. 9 and 6. 96. 9 and 6. 96. 9 and 6. 96. Spell it with teacher. Repeat after teacher. NINETY. 90. SIX. 6. NIN. Which is the next one? Okay. What number is this, children? 100. 100. 100 is 100. 100 is 100. Repeat after teacher. 100 is 100. 100 is 100. Now we'll see the spelling of it. Repeat after teacher. 100. HUNDRED. 100. HUNDRED. 100. HUNDRED. 100. Okay, kids. Now you all are well with number names and you all come to know how to say the number names. Now let us see the activity which all of the kids like activity. Yes or no? Okay, we'll start with the activity. Look here. Here, look here, kids. Now you look at this number chain. Can you all see the number chain? Okay. Now say all numbers in serial order. Which is the first number you can see there? 27. Very good. Now after 27, huh? After 36, 37. So repeat after teacher. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. Okay, kids, now what you all will do, you know? You all will open the book. One of the book you open and you all are going to solve this number chain in the book and send me in the group. Okay.